Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you schedule an email to send later in Microsoft Outlook mail? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to schedule an email to go out later anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that automating certain processes is important to save you time and also to make you more efficient, and also so you don't forget. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Outlook Live account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Microsoft Outlook email, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to schedule an email to go out later, what you're going to do is just go ahead and create a new email by clicking on this blue button. Once you do that, go ahead and fill this out. So you can fill out the to, the subject, and also the body of the email. Once you're ready to send, instead of clicking send, you want to click on this little arrow next to the send button. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on schedule send. Okay, so you can choose from one of these defaults right here, or you can do what I do and set a custom time. Okay, so with a custom time, you can go ahead and choose the exact date. So let's say we want it to go out on the 1st, and we want that to go out at lunchtime. After that, you want to go ahead and click on send. Now, I didn't put together an email, so what's going to happen is going to give me an error. Message must have at least one recipient. However, if you fill this out before you click on the send button, then it will automatically schedule that email for you. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to schedule an email to send later in your Microsoft Outlook email, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.